All right, so welcome to today's vlog podcast episode. Well, we are here at the Marriott Executive Lounge, specially doing a vlog from here. And I have two really amazing guests in this vlog. Sandhya Valecha, the co-founder of the Marketing Nerdz, and Namrata Soni, the head digital marketing strategist at the Marketing Nerdz. All client projects are overlooked by her. So two really smart guests here today. So I thought instead of sharing what I know and my wisdom, I'll have them give and reveal their best tip. So as you may or may not know, Sandhya Valecha is the best copywriter I know of. Oh, yeah. Everything that I've learned about copy is from her. So let's begin with that. What's your number one copywriting tip if you had to share with them?
Now you've given me a very difficult task, I must say, because I have so many favorites. But if you ask me to pick one,
yes, one.
I guess I'd have to go with copy hacking. So
copy hacking.
Yeah,
right?
Copy hacking.
So for people who don't understand what is copy hacking, how?
Well,
what exactly?
Sure. So you could cut short your struggle and you could hack copywriting secrets from the legends. How? Well, go forth and check out and study every element of the controls from 90s. Study the best ad copies from 90s. And there you have it. Copy hacking secrets.
That's an awesome tip. Something that I've done a lot thanks to your suggestion. So, so I'll just simplify for people who do not understand. And of course, if you want to learn copywriting in detail for less than 2 cups of coffee or Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, you should join TMN Prime. More about TMN Prime in the link below. But control is the best, right, ad ever, and you should find the best advertising material from the early 90s, the 1920s, the 1930s, or the mid 90s, or the 1980s, like from
Gary Halbert.
What's his name? Bensy Wenger. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, but Gary Wenger.
I apologize for that, but yeah. Bencivenga, I think.
Yeah, he's a legend, and a lot of other great copywriters. So study their copy in your niche, understand the emotions and stuff that they use, and hack it and use it in your advertising. Everything that you see online is all a copy of the copies of 90s. Yes. Legends. That's an amazing tip.
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
and if they need more tips,
then of course, TMN Prime. Sandy is doing a lot of videos for TMN Prime on copywriting for less than 2 cups of coffees. These are not coffees. We have rivals here, Coke and Pepsi. But yeah, and they're all paying us. Awesome. So have you ever seen competitors paying? No pride. So happens only for us. Right. So yeah. So Namrata, what is the one tip that you would give people for advertising, since you overlook so many of our clients, Facebook advertising and all the advertising in general? So what would be that one tip for Facebook advertising?
That's interesting. So yes, for Facebook, I guess one of the most important thing is that you should keep testing and you should do a lot of split tests. So basically, while you're running the ad, you should split test your ads. What is working well for you? You should find out the highest converting ad for you. And again, once you find that particular ad that converts the best for you, you should keep testing that as well.
All right.
Testing is the key.
So in one simple word, it's testing. Now, what exactly is testing or split testing?
Yep.
So it's nothing but, let's say if you're targeting fitness enthusiasts in Mumbai. So there may be a lot of, if you're a gym, and you may target different gym pages, and you would do that all in one ad set. But then you would never know which targeting is converting better, which audience is not converting better. So I would create multiple ad sets, put each one interest in one ad set, and see which one gives me a better ROI, and then spend more money on interest or targeting that gives me a better ROI. Now split testing could be testing color banners, buttons, and blah blah blah, and price points, and a lot of other things, right? So more on split testing in TMN Prime, but that's a really important tip. And of course, even if you don't want to join TMN Prime. I'm not forcing you to, but you should. But even if you don't, it's cool. Go Google split test. But you'll never find the amazing information that we have inside TMN Prime. But at least you'll understand the concept of split test. And as a digital marketer, I think split testing is the one word to live by, and copy hacking and test and controls are really, really important. So that aside, how was your experience?
Loved it, loved it,
Oh.
loved it. I love this property. This is my home. Almost.
Nice,
Second
congratulations for your house. Yeah. So we do a lot of events, of course, with the Marriott group, and
home. And they always say yes to
Yes.
all our requests and demands.
I think in hospitality, I think that's one thing that Marriott does really well, is always agree to.
Is Marriott paying us to say all of this?
Yeah, they just gave a big fat check, right? No, on a
I just gave
oh
yeah,
shit.
right.
On a serious note, well, I'm sure you guys know I do not recommend anything, or I never do affiliate marketing. So, well, this is all. I only talk good stuff about the products and services I like. So, a high recommendation. And well, of course, we are starting the course in Ahmedabad. So.
Yeah.
And we are at Ahmedabad. So if you're not registered, make sure you do. And I'll keep it short. 2 important tips for you guys. If you want to be a good copywriter, find the ad campaigns from the early 90s and stuff, and copy hack. And if you want to be a great digital marketer, split test is your word. Awesome. So we'll catch up with you guys. We need to head back to Mumbai.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Awesome.